Well, for the first time since January, LRT Line 1 has returned to full service with double-car trains. A mechanical issue that plagued the system for months still is not fully resolved, but the head of OC Transpo says this is a significant milestone. CTV's Leah Larocque was speaking with transit users today and joins us in studio with more on this, Leah.
Patricia, Rick Leary says since he started his job, he had a checklist, and getting full service back was top priority. Now that that's accomplished, it's about building the system's durability and gaining riders' confidence back.
Yes, you are seeing double. Double car service on LRT Line 1 is back, and Emily St. Jean is giving light rail another shot.
I just started a new job, so this is my first day back on, yeah.
For nearly 5 months, service was reduced after OC Transpo was forced to pull most of its fleet because of an issue with the axles.
That's why I've been driving to work, because I haven't wanted to deal with it.
At Blair Station, riders still crowd at the front of the platform out of habit. But when the train arrives, riders relieved.
Considering we're usually packed in there like sardines, very.
The head of OC Transpo calls this milestone significant.
I was tasked with getting 2-car trains back, increasing the reliability and increasing the capacity of Line 1. So today's our first day doing that. Started doing a little better when it came to installation, doing some of the work. The materials showed up.
Leary says there is still more work to do. Not all the axles have been replaced, and every 100,000 kilometers they need to be checked. And there is still no root cause, but he believes the system is more reliable.
I've said it many times, over the 30-year life of a vehicle like this, there'll be many, many modifications, re-engineering, improving the products. It's not unique to Ottawa.
A sensor has been installed on several vehicles to monitor for irregular vibrations or issues.
Yes, but let's see what happens when Orleans is going to be working.
Rick Leary says the next step is getting set for the Eastern Extension to open. He says he's having meetings every day and is hoping to nail down that timeline as soon as possible.
The shortage has delayed trial running on the Eastern Extension. But for now, a little more legroom. Good news, according to riders, to get light rail back on the right track.
That sounds good to me. I feel like it's a little crammed sometimes.
What do you think?
Feels pretty good. There's enough spaces for everybody.
And to compensate riders for all the issues they've endured, Councillor Sean Menard and the Mayor are putting an idea on the table at Council this week to give riders free transit over 2 weekends, one in September, the other following the launch of the Eastern Extension. Patricia.
All right, CTV's Leah Larocque live for us tonight. Thank you.